Good morning to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utabi. Ungowekethelo. It is a Thursday morning, and I hope unambe kahle emsebenzini. So today, ngizonishare a question that I often get: what is a shaman? And then my space kahle in depth. So ngizonishare nje just small pieces of it. And also what and trying to actually help abantu abangazazi ukuthi bayini, because remember we said spirituality is not about ubungoma, ubuprofethi, ukubonisa. There's more to it. So ngizonishare ngami why. So remember when I did a video a few weeks ago about my first huge assignment? A week after nganikezwa a similar assignment, but it was close kakhulu to endlini, so it was a bit ngizonixoxela. So if you don't see the whole video, guys, you can get it on the other side, ne? So yeah, so ngifuna uku-explain in depth what my part as a shaman is, and I've shared a information from the internet kahle that maybe we'd explain it better. So mina ngizoyi-explaina ngesintu, na the way ngafundiswa ngakhona ngazi ngakhona. So I've had the privilege, guys, of understanding my journey. Like everything was explained to me. Why I started with amakhosi amakhehla angamakhosi to abasemanzini, ubani ufola kuphi kanjani. That's why I say it's very important ukuthi uzazi ukuthi uhamba nabo bani, because it makes sense in everything that you do. So with me, the medium side of me basically is from lamakhehla angamakhosi, right? And now the shaman side of me abasemanzini, and I'll explain why all of these my entourage works together, why it works like that. So a lot of people know mediums as a bridge between abangasekho nabaphilayo, right? But there's more to it. There's more to it. Mangabe mhlambe you've got other gifts as well. You understand? So now, the assignment that I told you about, remember the assignment where I had ukuhlukanisela umuntu umkhathi? I did that a week ago. So long story short, ngalahlekelwa ama sort of like pillowcases efensini. You know, usually when I lose something, I don't look for it, but lama pillow angihlupha man, pillowcase, I had to go look for them. When I went to look for them, I'm actually sharing this, guys, and the family involved, I won't mention them, but I just share it as my experience as well. So alahleke, but angihluphe man, no man, like ngiwacinge up until the next day ngawathola. And then so you know what, you just posted on the community ukuthi man anibona ngento so somebody responded. Guys, you know, a calling is something, and being a shaman, guys, I can tell you this, your day, you don't know what's going to happen on that day. You just don't know. You see things happening. I had something that I had to do izolo now with 3 people, and abantu engingabazi, you just sent. So with this one, okay, fine, bang respond ukuthi no, yithi esiwatholile wozwalanda, but now siyagulelwa la endlini, uma uyasigulela. Okay, fine. Now guys, before ngizophuma, something says to me, you need to go do this and this and this when you get to that house. Remember, angibazi labantu, angibajwayelanga, or abomakhelwane, but not that abantu engibajwayele mhlambe yabona engathi ngike ngaxoxa nabo, no, in that manner. So okay, fine, you know, because you are requested to do this, or ngathini, you are assigned to do this. You cannot say, hi, angbazo. That's why I say spirituality will take away pride before anything else. Before you start going on a journey, you will take away pride. Now, ngiye laphayana ngifike ngiyenze whatever that I was told to do, and then siqoqeke bese ngiyahamba. 2 days after, I got a message from umntana kamama saying the day uhamba was the day wathi uqeda ukushiya ugogo wasishiya ntambama. So that's why I'm saying, guys, you are called to do things. You are called, sometimes you're called to khulula umuntu. Sometimes there's a lot that happens with shamanism and being a medium. There's a lot that happens because with being a medium, you can just be told to go somewhere and deliver a message because those spirits want you to deliver this message. Yesterday, I tried by all means to avoid that. Lapho ngiseselapho and kuwukuthi sesizohlukana nalo muntu, the spirit said no, you cannot. Why mina ungafuni ukungiyenzela this assignment? And I was obliged to do it. So you can never tell. So now being a medium, and a medium, okay, the responsibilities are basically to channel, to read, to connect with spirits, and also understand that to see things the way the spirit world wants you to see them, to connect dots and everything else. Now with being a shaman, what a shaman is a shaman works differently. A shaman heals differently. We heal with nature, we heal with all the elements of nature. But with me, the requirement was when I started with my self-initiation and everything else and being trained, ngatshelwa kahle ukuthi awusebenzi ngegazi wena awusebenzi ngegazi, only when it is necessary by the ancestral guides of that person. They want it in a traditional manner, that's when you can engage in it. But awusebenzi specifically ngegazi. So it's only when it's necessary and I have to do it, that because when I was told ukuthi abantu use igazi as sacrifice, as an offering, babuye use igazi to ask for a person's soul or spirit. You understand? Abantu bathwala ngegazi babuye basebenzisa igazi futhi ukucela ibusiso. So that is why ngakhishwa abasemanzini bathi asilifuni igazi. No matter what you do, it cannot include or involve blood rituals. So no matter what you do emanzini, it cannot involve alcohol. That's my space, guys. Ngizoshare space sami, hayi space somunye umuntu, because sinikezwe differently. Now Amanono had a different requirement altogether in terms of me working with kids. Ney'thunywa zabantwana working with kids, they had different. Hence I say you need to understand umbethwe ubani, umbethe ubani, kanjani, ubani usebenza kuphi. It makes things easy, and you will not have a headache of not knowing who you are. You will not have a headache of ukulandela into uthi mhlambe asithi unesithunywa ulandele kakhulu ubungoma kanti wena kuwe kusebenza isithunywa. It makes a difference when you know, when you are aligned to yonke into oyiyo okuyo. Now being a medium, yes, it's channeling, it's reading, it's reaching out, but with being a medium, for me, it does not offer healing. You understand? I can only do certain functions, but it does not come with certain resolutions. Now, then the shaman part engayiphiwa yona is the one that provides healing and all the resolutions. So amakhetla amakhosi would be involved in the path of mediumship, and then abasemanzini are more involved in the part of healing now and giving resolutions and how you can sort out this, how you can take. So for me, being a shaman, guys, you work with elements of nature, you work with a lot of things. It's not boxed around imithi or mhlambi iwasho, or you use a lot of different things. You understand? into esebenzayo is my energy. Sorry. Into esebenzayo is my energy. Ayawa namafoni masingitshela indaba. So that is why umunye umuntu azobuka ngokuthi ngisebenza different. Working with crystal stones and shells and beads, different kinds of beads, and ama third eye and all of those chakra elements or chakra bracelets was part of shamanism. So okunye nokunye, hence I did explain when I started videos, I said, I can tell you from the first bracelet that I was given, ama beads and everything, zonke zinomlando ukuthi how did I get this, how did I get that. That is why I often say to people, don't just go and buy things without understanding eyani leyo nto leyo. So now so a lot of people would say, so what is a shaman exactly? I've given you a description ukuthi you become a spiritual mediator between the two worlds. You become a healer. You become one with nature. You work with. But there's this word in the indigenous species or something. But there's that word angwazi will pronounce it. But yeah, indigenous species you work with. Ancient spirits you work with, marine spirits but in a way of the purity of it. So ours is basically, because it comes from amanzi, it's very pure. Hence I say kwakhishwa nje lama elements wegazi, kwakhishwa ama elements. I often say to people and they laugh at me, I say, if ufuna ukusebenzisa utshwala emanzini uhamba nami, just know ukuthi ngizokudlulisa. Mawufuna ngikudlulisa uphuze ungaphindi ustophe, letha ngisebenze ngotshwala, uzobona ukuthi uzodlula. As much as if ngifuna ukukuyekisa, I can still do it. It's easy. Yeah, understand? It's everything comes with my energy and also my guides. It's not guys, it has nothing to do with ngazini angazi ini. Some things I just learn on the spot, and oh, okay, so this is how we're working now with these people. So I thought of making this video just to say, kunabantu abangazazi kahle kahle ukuthi kubo kahle kahle kusebenzani. You know, you've acquired all of these beads and all of these clothes, namabhayi lawa namajazi, but you don't really know ukuthi kuwe kusebenzani. And it's sad because uyophakamisa izinto ezingahlangene nawe. So I hope I've explained. A shaman, guys, heals in ancient ways of healing. You know, if I've made an example on past videos, and I said, all like ancient shamans would surround umlilo bacule nan. Even me singing is healing to somebody. Even me whistling when faneke sibiza abalozi, it's healing. So for us, it's not boxed into one thing, or it's not ukuthi usebenza kanje, and that is why it was important that they my guides initiate me themselves. You understand? It's not ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthepha la ngithephe la. If it's psychic, I'm there. If I'm there, because I was initiated in all of these things in terms of shamanism and all of these things in terms of mediumship. So I hope ukuthi ngiyichazile, ukuthi ni understand ukuthi kunezinto eziningi that comes with spirituality, and that is why I often advise on spiritual coding and understanding. Hence I said before, ngathi mina ngithatha abakini ngisebenza ngabangasekho to heal you. So I work with the spiritual, to heal the physical. I don't work with the physical to heal the spiritual. No, I work with the spiritual to heal the physical. So the change is made on the physical. So by me healing them, I'm changing the physical side. So I hope it does help, guys. Ukuthi ungangeni entweni because you were told ukuthi ipath yakhe la, because ipath can branch into so many different things, and I was even shocked. I think 3 weeks ago, when I found out ukuthi ngize ngixhumane namanzi kangaka nani umsusa wakhona. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing to understand and know the history of your lineage. For me, the history of my lineage was broken down into pieces. I don't share it as much, but it was broken down into pieces from 6th generation up until now. Ukuthi kuze kufike where ngifike where I am. Uthabi, what really happened, and putting that puzzle together into one piece was the most difficult, but it was fulfilling to understand, because igcine futhi kusiza nekutheni ungangeni ey'ntweni eziningi, you understand, ezingahlangene nawe. So I hope this helps ukuthi know your past, know ukuthi, when I tell somebody ukuthi when into zakho zihamba kanje 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 kanje, even your dreams, because how people interpret dreams and how I interpret dreams I've learned ukuthi it's totally different. So wena amaphupho akho uwabona ngale ndlela because it's generalized like this, but give me, there's certain signs and symbols that I look at, and the formation of the dream ukuthi okay liqale la kanje kanje kanje. So yeah, so I've shared a lot, and I hope that, because the whole point of all these videos kahle kahle is to help you learn, and sonke singene ephathini right, correct, engeke isifake ey'ntweni zokuthi size senze izinto, because sizithola manje imimoya ilwa nani ilwa because sithephe into wrong spaces at the wrong time. Even for me, nokusebenza kwabekwa kimi, angisebenzi noma kanjani. Ukuthi ngisebenze fanele kuhlangane inyanga nelanga. Mangizoyenza izinto zakho fanele ilanga nenyanga lihlangane ngendlela ethize. It's unique in a way, and I enjoy it, and I think that is why it came to my spiritual name being Ungowe Ketelo, because there's a lot that goes on in my space, you understand, or there's a lot that, sometimes I even say to people, it's even weird that I can understand animals. It's just so weird, but yeah, that's my space. I hope I have helped you understand ukuthi, guys, the journey is needs to be taken easy. The journey ayifuni uyirasha, ayifuni uyijahe, ayifuni ugijimisa ipower nokuthi uzoba mkhulu nokuthi wena ungcono kunobani. No, it's not about that. It's about understanding where you are, where you're coming from, and where you are going, and it gives you peace as well. Ngiyabonga.